Hello. Okay. Hello once again. Here, this is linear first order equation. Another topic in engineering maths. And then the linear first order equation is in the form dy over x plus py is equal to what? Q. Okay. That one we have one y term and another x term at the side of Q. Is it clear? So it's in the form of this, where p is the coefficient of the y and Q is equal to what is at the right hand side. With above anything at the right hand side be the Q, with anything with the y inside be the p. Okay, so let's try this question. Let's say dy over dx plus 3y is equal to e raised to the power 2x. This question, is it clear? First and foremost, what do you do? First, you compare. Is it clear? You compare with the form. The form is what? Dy over dx plus py is equal to what? Q. Is it clear? Where p is the coefficient of y. So you check the questioner. Anything where the y in body be coefficient. So the p will be what? Anything attached to the y. Match it. That is what? 3. Is it clear? And then the Q is equal to anything at the what? The right hand side. Anything at the right hand side is what? E raised to the power what? 2x. Let me state it. This is the first step. It's not difficult. Is it clear? Now let's check the second step. The second step, you integrate with a formula. Okay, so you integrate with a formula. This is the formula: e raised to the power p dx. Is it clear? This has to be in mind. E raised to the power p dx is going to be equal to, you substitute the p inside. Is it clear? It's going to be equal to e raised to the power integral. What's the p? The p is 3. 3 dx is equal to, so the simplified part here is the top. Okay, so e raised to the power, I told you that if you are integrating a number, you add what to it? The respected differential. If you are differentiating in respect to x, you add x to it. So this is going to be 3x. If it was supposed to be integral of 4 dy, it becomes what? 4y. But this one is dx, so it becomes what? 3x. Is it clear? So the first step, you compare with the form. This is the form. So if you have PBR, the p is going to be equal to the what? The coefficient of the y in the question. The account y in the question, you know what I say. And then the q is going to be anything at the what? The right hand side. Simple and short. Is it clear? So when you get this part, the next you come and integrate with this formula. So this formula has to be in your head. E raised to the power integral p dx. Is it clear? Where p is the coefficient of the y in the question, that is 3. So integrate it at the top. You just integrate it at the top. When you integrate 3, you get what? 3x. Then you end it there. Okay. Now what is the third step? You multiply through. You multiply through with this. Is it clear? You multiply through with the second step. The second step, what was your answer? Second step, e raised to the power 3x. So you come and use this one to multiply through the question. Once again, you use the second step, the answer I got for the second step, to multiply through the question. What you get for the second step, you will take and multiply through the equation for the top. It clear? So you will get what? E raised to the power 3x times dy dx plus e raised to the power 3x times 3y is equal to e raised to the power 3x times e raised to the power 2x. Are you watching? This e raised to the power 3x is what we use to multiply through. So this side alone is product rule. It's a simplification of product rule, but I'll teach you something simple. Okay, but let's look at the right hand side. You can simplify the right hand side. Okay, the right hand side is 3x times what? E raised to the power 2x. Indices, since the bases are the same, the powers to do what? They will add. So this is going to be equal to what? E raised to the power 3 plus 2 give you what? 5x. Then repeat the same thing. E 3x dy over dx plus e 3x 3y. If you multiply this is what you get. You get it. So now we get this part, right? That this part, what we'll do next is this. It's a trick, yeah? So the fourth step, you multiply y by the coefficient of what? Dy dx. You multiply what? Y by the coefficient of what? Dy dx. So let's come back to the question. He said y, so you write your y down. You multiply y by what? The coefficient of dy dx. What's the coefficient of dy dx in the question? Is e raised to the power what? 3x. Is it clear? The coefficient of dy dx in the question has a day e raised to the power what? 3x. Then you multiply it by it. So you get what? Y e raised to the power what? 3x is going to be equal to e raised to the power what? 5x. So simply all this part to do what? Will go away and become this if you follow the trick. Okay, so you always multiply y by the coefficient of what? Dy dx. Is it clear? So if you are done with this one, the last step is what? You integrate the right hand side. Is it clear? So you get y e 3x is equal to the integral of e 5x. Okay, when you integrate this part, you get what? 1 over 5 e 5x plus what? C. Then you put the y e 3x there. Is it clear? So if you have an integral of, let's say, e raised to the power 7x, it becomes what? 1 over 7 e raised to the power 7x. Are we clear? If you have an integral of e raised to the power 2x, it becomes what? 1 over 2 e raised to the power what? 2x. Are we clear? So after this part, you are done. Is it clear? So this is linear first order equation. So the first step, this is the question. You compare with this. If you are done compare with this, the p becomes the coefficient of y. The y whole question in p, and then the k will be everything at the right hand side. Okay, and at the right hand side we have e raised to the power what? 2x. So this is your k. If you are done, you come and integrate using this formula. So you keep this formula in a e p dx, e raised to the power integral of p dx is equal to, what's the p? The p is 3. Now the average whole. When you integrate a number, a whole number, you add the respected distance to it. So this one is x, so it becomes what? 3x. Now the answer you get here, you can use to multiply through the question. When you use to multiply through the question, here will form a product rule for you automatically. If we use the product rule to simplify, to check this thing, you understand it more, but it will take a whole lot of time again. So after you're done, you just simplify the right hand side. Is it clear? 3x times e raised to the power 2x, you get 5x. Indices is applied here, high indices. The bases are the same, but the powers to do what? If it's multiplying, the powers to do what? They will add. Do you get it? Then the first step is what? You multiply y. So you just put your y down first. Multiply by the coefficient of dy dx. What's the coefficient of dy dx? Then a cut dy dx for or previous step name is e raised to the power what? 3x. Then you add it to it. You multiply with it. Is it clear? It's equal to this. So all this will tend towards this automatically. Matthias here. So if you get it like this, integrate the what? The right hand side. Are we clear? So if you integrate the right hand side, you get what? 1 over 5 e raised to the power 5x plus what? C. That is all. Linear first order equation.